On the 5th of March 2020, the Auditor-General for New South Wales, Margaret Crawford, tabled in Parliament her third report on the local government sector. Covering the year ended 30 June 2019, the report comments on the performance of councils and joint organisations. The report looked at 4 key areas, which were financial reporting and performance, governance and internal controls, information technology, and asset management. And a number of insights and recommendations were made to help local government in New South Wales continue to strengthen its performance as a sector. Across the sector's audits, the Audit Office issued an unqualified opinion for 99% of audits and 1 disclaimed opinion. 79% of councils lodged their financial statements on time. There was a reduction in the number and dollar value of errors identified in council financial statements. More councils reported negative operating performance compared with the prior year, meaning their operating expenditure exceeded their operating revenue. Most councils met the liquidity and working capital performance measures. Overall, the Auditor-General found that councils should continue to strengthen the quality and timeliness of financial reporting. While the number of errors decreased from the prior year, it is still important that councils allocate sufficient time and resources to the financial reporting process and to implementing new accounting standards. The total number of issues reported in audit management letters increased compared with the prior year, but the total number of high-risk issues decreased. Of the high-risk issues, 41% related to deficiencies in information technology controls. The Auditor-General recommends that councils address issues reported in management letters in a timely manner. High-risk issues need to be prioritised and repeat issues from prior years resolved. By March 2021, all councils are required to have an Audit Risk and Improvement Committee, and all councils should have an internal audit function to support a risk and compliance culture. A legislative compliance framework will capture and monitor compliance with key laws and regulations. And councils need to continue improving their fraud control systems and have adequate processes and controls that ensure compliance with their gifts and benefits policy and the Model Code of Conduct. The report found that 68% of IT issues relate to inappropriate user access management, and 80% of councils do not have a cybersecurity policy or framework. The audit report recommends that councils strengthen IT controls and cybersecurity management. Key IT policies should be formalised and regularly reviewed, and IT risks need to be identified and appropriately managed. The Auditor-General also recommends that the Office of Local Government develop a cybersecurity policy by the 30th of June 2021 to ensure a consistent response to cybersecurity risks across councils. The report found more issues relating to asset management systems and asset valuations compared with the prior year. There were also some discrepancies identified in Crown land asset records between the former Department of Industry and council records. Inconsistent practices were also observed across councils when it came to accounting for landfill sites. The Auditor-General recommends that councils regularly update asset registers and reconcile them with asset management systems. The asset valuation process could start earlier to ensure valuations are managed and documented appropriately. Periodic reconciliation of asset registers to the Crown Land Information Database will ensure that potential discrepancies are investigated and resolved in a timely manner. Councils with landfill sites should review the methodology and assumptions in how they account for them. Over the past 3 years, the local government sector in New South Wales has made good progress, but there is still more to do. The Auditor-General published 3 performance audits on the local government sector in 2019 and has more planned for 2020 and 2021. For more information and to subscribe to these audits, visit the website.